In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reduce the size of your taskbar and also the size of your taskbar icons on Windows 10. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. So this is the taskbar on my computer, and I wish to make this much smaller and also reduce the icon or button size to a much smaller size. To do this is quite simple. Just go ahead and right click on the taskbar and then choose the last option, taskbar settings. Now, if you click on this, you should see this option, use small taskbar buttons. Currently, this is turned off. If you go ahead and turn on, just check and see what will happen to the taskbar. Now, I have just gone ahead and turned it on, and now taskbar icons and buttons are much smaller, and also the taskbar size is much smaller, giving me much room for display. So that's how you can reduce taskbar size on Windows 10. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.